Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best curtain rods we tested that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Umbra Bellwood curtain rod. With a uniquely stylish look, an easy installation process, and sturdy brackets, the Umbra Bellwood curtain rod is an easy pick for the best curtain rod we tested. In fact, we like it so much that we're purchasing another one for the opposite window in our dining room. This curtain rod set includes a metal telescoping rod and attractive wooden brackets. The adjustable rod spans from 42 to 120 inches to accommodate most window sizes. Assembly takes about 20 minutes in our experience, and all of the necessary hardware is included. The durable rod can hold curtains up to 22 pounds. We tugged on our curtain after installation and were pleased by its sturdiness and have no fears it'll fall in the future. After weeks of testing, this curtain rod looks beautiful with zero discoloration or damage on the metal or wood, which could be a concern in humid climates. We have our curtains hanging right on the rod itself, but you could use curtain clips or rings as well. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Umbra Cappa curtain rod. For an affordable curtain rod with plenty of window coverage, we love the Umbra Cappa curtain rod. We have this rod installed above 2 wide windows with a center bracket for extra stability and love the look and durability it provides. Installing the curtain rod is straightforward, thanks to the included hardware, which is similar to our best overall pick, as it's from the same brand. However, the adjustable rod stretches further, letting us use it across multiple windows in our bedroom, about 100 inches wide. It's able to cover up to 180 inches total. Installing this curtain rod took us an extra 10 minutes compared to our other fave from this brand, but this time was spent aligning the brackets perfectly and adding that extra middle support. If you're working with smaller windows, it may be a speedier process. Once installed, the curtain rod performs beautifully. Even without curtain rings, our curtains slide smoothly and the rod feels stable when tugged. We especially love the different finish options, including the brass, which appears as a subtle, stylish gold that matches the accents in our room. At number 3, we have the Achim Innovative Porter Traverse Curtain Rod. The Achim Innovative Porter Traverse Curtain rod takes the guesswork out of hanging your rod with curtain clips and an integrated track, all made from durable stainless steel. When installing this curtain rod, you slide the included clips into the track and clip those right to your curtains. Depending on the size, you'll receive a different number of clips. We found we had plenty for our curtains with some left over, just in case. Speaking of durability, there are stabilization screws along both ends of the rod that you screw in at the end to hold the rod in place and prevent it from sliding to stabilize the curtain after installation. We're confident our curtain rod will withstand pets and children pulling on its curtains, or even the weight of heavier curtains after setting it up. Plus, since the system comes with its clips on a track below the rod itself, curtain rings won't wear down the rod over time like you would need to add for the rest of the picks on this list. At number 2, we have the Umbra Twilight Blackout curtain rod. With 5 sizes and 4 finishes, the Umbra Twilight Blackout curtain rod is the most versatile curtain rod we tested. It's designed to keep as much light out as possible, with uniquely curved ends instead of finials, so it's ideal for blackout curtains. However, we also love that it's durable enough to work for any curtains you choose. The curved edges ensure your curtain reaches the wall to let zero light in. It adjusts smoothly to fit any window, and we love the way our curtains easily glide over the steel rods without any snagging. The installation was easy. We could have done it even without the included photo instructions, but the anchors that come with the rod were a bit flimsy, and we ended up using our own. Otherwise, the rod feels incredibly sturdy and stable. All of the Umbra curtain rods on our list have a high weight capacity of 22 pounds, so you can be confident this one will also hold your curtains, even if you opt for heavy velvet ones. Plus, we love the sleek, modern look of this pick. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wayfair Basics Adjustable Curtain Rod. After using the Wayfair Basics Adjustable Curtain Rod on a small window in our bedroom, we can confidently recommend it as another affordable option that's stable and easy to install. Additionally, it features decorative ball finial ends, adding a fun style element. Unlike our best budget pick, we recommend this option for small windows. The rod itself is a bit thinner than other models we tested, as are the round finials on each side. Therefore, we think the design looks best on small windows. Though the rod feels thin and fragile, it didn't budge once after installation. Thanks to our previous curtain rods, there were already drilled holes in our walls trimming down the process to just 5 minutes. With 6 finishes to choose from, including a unique bronze and a sleek white, you're guaranteed to find an option that matches your room's decor. Just note that though the finials on either side look metal, they're actually made from hard plastic. This makes the curtain rod lighter, but also possibly less durable. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.